And now I'd like to invite my two other colleagues to share their experiences while they doing human practice in their projects or while leading projects. Maybe tend to Cai Liang first.
Thank you for having me here. So I'm an instructor of a team in Shanghai, and we have participated in IGM for 13 years. And I'm giving you two examples. Yes. So the first team is Hong Kong still. Then all the competition in Boston and the 2 rounds in here. So I teach science, and when we in class teaching science, we always ask students, when you have a problem to solve, you need to look into the literature. You need to talk with senior fellows, and then you can improve or solve your problem. But there are 2 things they didn't solve by these experts. First is why they are doing this project. Usually it's project from their mentor, very big project, a small piece of it, and they probably don't understand it, they just follow. And the second reason is when you do experiments, you always fail. And when you fail, you're frustrated. If you don't understand why you're doing it, you don't have the motivation to continue. So the 2 examples I'm showing on the screen with the QR code is from previous years. In 2020, it's still COVID. And at that time, there's so many news about these elderly people, very lonely and very poor. And the students look at the news and get inspired. Why all the elderly sit in the chair, lie in the bed? None of them are working. I mean, so they start to visit these lonely senior homes and see what's the problem, and they have bone problems. And then they also get inspired that maybe they can develop some like probiotic help the elderly to absorb calcium better. And then they talk to these professors and experts how to make that real, and also discuss with these managers in the elderly homes how these elder people accept this idea. So that's one. The second one actually is this year, and they have the education effect. I think it's pretty good, and they call it called FIRE. And why are they doing that? Because earlier this year, I think there's a very popular TV show in China, broadcast. It's called Three Body, talking about 3 suns circling around the Earth, and one sun approaches the Earth, then the civilization destroyed. And when they look at the TV show, all the surface is bare rocks. And that's a challenge for life to sustain. And then the idea came, and then talk with experts and improve their project. So for these 2 examples, all students highly motivated. They put the time in the experiments and in the labs, want to make it real. And in my past 7 years as an instructor of the teams, I saw students who survived IGM is more motivated. And then when they survived IGM, they continue their own project. Most of them continue in their PhD and doing really good. So hopefully other people will get inspired. Plus, in